Hey, Russell here. I just wanted to take a quick moment and welcome you to the Marketing Plan Formula. I am really excited you're here. Not the yippee kind of excited, but I'm genuinely excited. A heartfelt excitement because you have committed to your own business success. And now that you're here, I get to be a part of that. And that means a tremendous amount to me. So here's my why. See, my father raised me to be an entrepreneur. And he taught me that to be successful in this world, all you have to do is provide value. People want, recognize, and reward value. And I want to recognize that in you. You had a vision. You took the initiative and the risk to bring that vision to life and start your business. So you are already providing this great value to the world. And if I can help grow your business, I indirectly get to help bring more value to the world. Does that make sense? This is my personal ripple effect on how we working together can help change and improve the world. So I'll begin our time together with a thank you. Thank you for letting me into your world. Thank you for the opportunity to help grow your business. And thank you for joining our community. I'm very grateful you're here. This work is the culmination of 30 years as an entrepreneur. 30 years of building businesses, learning, trying, failing, and getting back up again. And what I'm going to give you is a shortcut to all the best that I have learned. I'm going to present it in a very specific way. Now, here's my philosophy. That specific way is in the teaching. Now, I believe in teaching a man to fish. If you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and he's fed for a lifetime. So I'm going to teach you how to fish. I'm going to teach you how to make your marketing work for your business. So you never have to be lost again. You never have to not know what that next step is in growing your business. You will have a tool set, a process that you can use in any business to make your marketing work for you. And I also know that we also have very limited resources, and time is your most precious and scarce resource. So I'm going to try and respect your time and give you as much as I can in the most condensed format. So with that thought, the material I present will be in bite-sized chunks. See, marketing can be very overwhelming. Hell, after 30 years of working in marketing, I still feel overwhelmed at times. So in order to keep your overwhelm and stress to a minimum, I'm going to encourage you to try to not eat this elephant all in one bite. It's a big elephant. We're going to take tiny little bites and eventually we're going to get through it. All right. Now, I'm also going to encourage you to leave any perfectionism you have at the door. I have personally given up so many dreams because, it wasn't perfect. Well, here's the news flash. Perfect doesn't exist. Not now, not ever. So our goal with this is really to get you to the 80% mark, and then we're going to iterate. And if we can do that, we can change the world. I promise you. And finally, I want to make an additional promise to you. I take this as an honor that we have the opportunity to work together. You are going to allow me to show you how to grow your business. And to me, that's a great responsibility. It's one that I don't take lightly. So if you join our community, I promise to you that I will do everything in my power to help you and your business. I will give you everything I can to help you. And not just in marketing, but any help. If I achieve greatness, it's by standing on the shoulders of giants. And there are many giants in our community here. All I ask is that you give it your best as well. This isn't an easy button. Entrepreneurs, you, of all people, know there's no such thing as a free ride. So if you put in the effort, I will match it 100%. Now, I sincerely believe that we are in this together. You, me, and the thousands of other entrepreneurs in our community. We are here to help grow each other's businesses. So now, let's take the first step. I'm going to ask you to start with a simple comment below. Make the commitment to yourself, to me, and to the entire community here. Take just one moment and comment below with your why. Why are you here? What do you hope to accomplish? And how will you know when you've succeeded? So let's begin with the end in mind so that we can recognize and celebrate when we finally arrived. On your marks, get set, go.